So this is a tool I'm looking for right here. Can't find it anywhere online. I bought it about 3 years ago. Can't find it. Basically what it does, you take your smart lock and you put those in the hole. Then you hold this side down, that's holding your this key is cut all sevens. Fits right in there. And then as you're turning, you're holding down on your bar there, side bar. And as you're turning, you're pushing down in the back here with your finger, and that turns. And then what you do, you take your change tool, push it in, you poke. You hear the click, and you take your new keys, you put in, and you change it. So the new keys work and the old key doesn't work anymore. But this is the tool that I'm looking for. And I can't find it anywhere. I bought it about 3 years ago. Those 5 posts right there go into here. Line all those up straight. I think they're about a 4 cut. And this top thing right here, hold your sidebar down. So then you pull it out a little bit so that can rotate in your sidebar. As you're holding your sidebar down, you pull that out. That rotates the whole cylinder so you can get it to work.